If you drive a four-wheel or all-wheel drive vehicle, you may need to perform regular maintenance on your transfer case. The transfer case controls which axle power is sent to. The transfer case might be manual, where the driver is required to select two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. But on most newer vehicles, the transfer case is automated and uses sensors and electronically controlled clutches to send power to each axle depending on the driving conditions. The fluid inside the transfer case lubricates and cools the clutches and gears, and usually contains additives that minimize oil foaming and create the correct friction properties. Heating and cooling of the fluid, along with the accumulation of clutch material, can lead to fluid breakdown. This is especially true when the vehicle is used for towing or frequent off-road use. Fluid replacement should be carried out according to the manufacturer's maintenance schedule.